from the sun. Why is it that the people are not tapping into that? Why don't we hear so much about that energy that's not being used out there? And we get sun out of 365 days a year. I would say at least 320 days. We get nothing but sun.
Absolutely. We had a few cloudy days here recently, but
yes,
normally
true.
we do.
That's true.
And definitely it's time for Nevada to become a leader in clean energy production and the
Absolutely.
technology associated with that. It's something that's not going to happen overnight. It takes time, and there's a lot of initiatives on the federal level for incentives for us to become a leader in clean energy. And so that's starting to happen. There was a recent announcement about a wind turbine manufacturing facility and wind turbine initiatives. That's the wind power, you've got the geothermal energy sources, and you've got solar energy sources. We have all three here in the state of Nevada. We need to export that energy to California because it's a lot more expensive over there. If we sell it a little more expensive there, we can sell it a little less here in Nevada.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And so that's definitely that we have to take advantage of that opportunity, being right next to a state that actually has requirements to produce a significant amount of their energy from renewable sources. So we've got to take advantage of our strategic location here.
All right, now even